guys, and welcome to my channel. I have here a Thredup box and I'm carrying it like it was a baby. So my name is Stephanie. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Thredup. This is, I think, a box of purses. Guys, you're going to see me in this same outfit for a couple of videos because I have so many Thredup boxes. So it is summer and I am sitting here listing, and sometimes when I get bored, I get on my phone, and sometimes I order stuff on Thredup. Also, here's another problem I have. I love getting mail, not bills, but I like getting like boxes like this. Like, it makes me excited. I like track them. I'm like, when is it coming? Like a little kid on Christmas. So I get excited for them, and then I open them, and sometimes I'm like, that sucked, or that was good, and I go back and order more because of the excitement that this box brings me when it's at my doorstep. So if you have a problem like me, let me know in the comments so that I don't feel like I'm alone. Okay, so this box is old. Let me tell you how old. Look, like I've never opened it. I ordered this box and I left it to the side when I had time to film it, and I never had time. So that box is from, let me tell you. Does it even give me the date? Yes. March 13th. I've had this box of Coach Rescue bags. So it cost me $100. I did not pay shipping, but tax was $7.25. So I paid $107.25, making this cost of goods $21.45 per item. So let's jump into the box. So at the top, I have the accessory that comes with the bag, and it is this like patent red with your logo here, and it does look really clean on the inside. I started to look at this right now, and I'm like, is this fake? Because you do see the little logo there, but I've noticed that sometimes, like in here, it would have like the little logo or like Coach on the zipper. Like, I'm not getting any of that. How do you guys know if it's real? Like, see here, I would expect the Coach logo. So I don't know. It says made in China. It looks fake to me, but I don't know. I don't want to put anything fake on Poshmark and get in trouble. So this might go in a garage sale. Or get donated back. It does have like some marks here, which I don't know will come off or not. So this is kind of a bummer if it's fake. Not that I know if it's real. Like, I'm gonna have to Google. Okay, so next I got this logo purse. This takes me back to when I was in like high school. These were so popular. It's like a little hobo bag. The colorful, it is dirty and probably needs to be cleaned. This one looks legit. You have the emblem there. You have the Coach tag here. It looks to be clean in there. You can feel like this is leather. And it has this in here. The canvas, this inside looks really clean except for this marks here and the marks right there. I can try to get this out. It does have like some dirty marks here, but the outside looks dirty, so it's gonna need some good cleaning. Do you think I can get $20, $21 for this? I don't know. We'll find out. This is also takes me back to high school or college. it's another, like, we used to rock these all the time. I used to. It has the logos. It has the leather strap. It has the numbers here. This one does not have the F. So I'm assuming it was bought at a regular store. It does look to be like dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean that grossness out. But it's just a little bag. I'm hoping I can get more than $22. We'll find out. But nice leather bag. So far, they're okay. They are going to require some cleaning, which is to be expected. So next I have a bigger Coach bag. This looks to be a little, this is like a crossbody, like a bigger crossbody. You can tell that this is all leather. You have your stud work on the bottom. You have your zipper pocket in the back. This looks to be like extremely clean, like nobody used this pocket. Inside, actually, let me just, this also looks, this could probably maybe be scratched off or cleaned off, but it really is in great condition. You have your zipper pocket, and here's the number. Looks to be authentic to me. I don't know the difference. The logo does look to be like wearing. And the last item is this little bag that's gray. You have your logo here. You have your little pocket. And you have where you open it. It does come with the straps, which is cool. It has the tag. It does have an F there, so this probably was factory. This is very clean. Nobody used this bag. I mean, it's dusty and has like dirt. I'm gonna have to clean that, but it's not stained or anything like that. I think you might have some wear right there where it was like rubbed on from going like that. But this is cute. So I got 4 bags. I think this one will probably get the most. I don't know. I don't really know bags, guys. But those are my bags. If I have a gem in here, please let me know so I don't list it for next to nothing. If you have any tips or other videos as to how you can tell if a Coach bag is fake or not, let me know, because I would love your help and info. If I list them, I will let you know if any of these have any likes, if they sold. More than likely, they might not be listed by the time I upload this video, because I have so much inventory coming in that I have a death pile. So I'll let you know on that. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me. As always, stay blessed, and we'll talk to you in my next video, because I have a lot of Thredup. Bye, guys.